Ever heard of the Night Scribes? The secret society that changed history.
Imagine a world where all our historical records were written in the dead of night, beneath the silent gaze of the moon. This isn't just a fantasy. Introducing the Night Scribes, a secret society from the 12th century. Hidden from the public eye, these scribes worked under the cover of darkness, preserving knowledge that mainstream history forgot. Why at night, you ask? They believed that celestial bodies, especially the moon, enhanced their wisdom and connectivity with the universe, allowing them to understand and record events with profound insight. Their work was groundbreaking, from documenting unrecognized scientific discoveries to writing about unknown civilizations. However, as the centuries passed, the night scribes faded into obscurity, their contributions lost to time until recently rediscovered manuscripts brought their legacy back to light. It's rumored that much of what we know today might have origins in their nocturnal writings. So next time you look up at the moon, remember the night scribes, the guardians of history's hidden chapters.
Did you know Abraham Lincoln had a mysterious hobby? It's not what you think.
Imagine walking into Abraham Lincoln's office, not for a discussion on politics, but to see him deeply engrossed in magic. Yes, the 16th President of the United States had a secret pastime that few know about. He was an amateur magician. Lincoln found solace and joy in learning sleight of hand tricks, a skill he picked up to entertain his sons and guests at the White House. During one of the darkest periods in American history, he used his love for magic to lighten the mood, bringing brief moments of wonder and laughter. This hidden talent of Lincoln shows a different side of the man known for his deep thoughts and leadership during the Civil War. It illustrates that even historical figures we think we know well have layers and interests that might surprise us. Lincoln's magic represents a personal escape and a unique way to connect with those around him.
What happens when people vanish without a trace? Discover the ghost ship of the Arctic.
Imagine sailing in icy waters, and you come across an abandoned ship. That's what happened with the Bay Chimo, a cargo steamer that became one of the Arctic's most famous ghost ships. In October 1931, the Bay Chimo got trapped in pack ice. The crew left for shelter, expecting the ship to sink. But when they returned, the ship had vanished, not sunk. Over the years, the Bay Chimo appeared to other sailors, still adrift and unmanned, turning it into a legendary ghost ship. The last sighting was in 1969, floating silently in the icy waters. Despite many attempts, no one has been able to capture the Bay Chimo or solve the mystery of where it finally ended up. A ship that refuses to vanish completely, but also doesn't want to be found. The sea keeps its secrets, but the story of the Bay Chimo remains a tantalizing mystery that leaves us wondering about the fates that await in the uncharted waters.
What hidden mystery lies beneath a famous Greek temple?
In the heart of Greece, beneath the ancient ruins of a famous temple dedicated to Apollo, the god of light, lies a little-known marvel. This isn't just any temple. It's the Oracle of Delphi, a place steeped in myth and mystery. Devotees believe that here they could receive prophecies directly from the gods, but the real secret lies beneath the temple's foundation. Scientists discovered that the temple is situated over two fault lines, intersecting right beneath it. This underground feature released ethylene gas, which caused the temple's oracles, known as Pythia, to enter into trance-like states, allowing them to deliver the prophecies. For years, the source of the Pythia's mystical insights puzzled historians and archaeologists alike. Modern research, however, shed light on this ancient mystery, blending the worlds of geology and archaeology in an extraordinary way. It's a fascinating intersection between the physical earth and the spiritual beliefs of ancient civilizations, revealing that the Oracle of Delphi's power may have had more earthly origins than we ever imagined.
What secret did the potion masters of yore hide from us?
Once, in a forgotten valley, there existed a mysterious group known as the Potion Masters of Yore. This civilization, hidden from the eyes of history, crafted concoctions that could heal any ailment, transform matter, and even manipulate time. But there was one potion they guarded most fiercely, the elixir of memories. This magical drink could unlock the hidden memories of the earth, revealing the world's secrets from the dawn of time. The potion masters believed that such knowledge could either bring about a golden era of enlightenment or lead to the downfall of civilizations. They decided to hide this elixir in a place where only the worthy could find it, using clues that are intertwined with the fabric of the world itself. Modern explorers still stumble upon remnants of their civilization, but the ultimate secret, the location of the elixir of memories, remains lost, waiting for someone to piece together the clues left behind.
Did you know Cleopatra was a star reader?
Imagine Egypt over 2,000 years ago, under the enchanting night sky. Cleopatra VII, known for her beauty and political savvy, had another secret talent. She was passionate about the stars. Amidst her duties as the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic kingdom, Cleopatra found solace and wisdom in the stars. Beyond politics, she believed that the cosmos held secrets to guiding her reign. Unlike the common perception of her as merely a seductress or political figure, Cleopatra was deeply educated in astronomy. Following in the footsteps of the earlier Hellenistic tradition, she often engaged with scholars in Alexandria, discussing celestial movements and their implications. It was during these nights, gazing at the heavens through the lens of ancient knowledge, that Cleopatra felt a deep connection with the universe. This untold aspect of her life adds a layer of depth to the enigmatic queen, intertwining her legacy with the timeless fascination humans have with the cosmos.
Ever heard of an island ruled by crocodiles? Think again.
Imagine an island where crocodiles are not just inhabitants, but the kings of their own domain. Welcome to Ramri Island in Myanmar, a place that harbors a dark and unusual history. During World War II, this seemingly ordinary island became the setting of a chilling event. Following a battle, approximately 1,000 soldiers found themselves retreating through the island's mangrove swamps, only to be ambushed not by enemy forces, but by the island's formidable predators, saltwater crocodiles. This encounter is believed to have resulted in one of the largest crocodile attacks on humans ever recorded. The swamps of Ramri Island, with their murky waters, became a dreaded death trap. Though accounts vary, the Guinness World Records notes this horrifying incident as the greatest disaster suffered from animals. Today, Ramri's natural landscape remains largely unaltered, with its crocodile residents continuing to dominate, reminding us of the untamed, unpredictable power of nature.
What vanished midair over the Bermuda Triangle?
Imagine a bright sunny day over the Atlantic Ocean, with the infamous Bermuda Triangle lying silently below. This triangle, stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is notorious for mysterious disappearances of ships and planes. One of the most baffling, unresolved facts is the case of Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers embarked on a routine training mission. Led by an experienced pilot, the flight should have been straightforward. However, things soon went awry. Mere hours into the flight, the squadron reported disorientation and malfunctioning compasses. The communication between the flight and the base was fraught with confusion before it fell ominously silent. Despite a massive search operation, no trace of the aircraft or the 14 men aboard was ever found. The incident added a chilling chapter to the Bermuda Triangle enigma, with questions lingering to this day. What exactly happened to Flight 19, and how could they vanish without a trace?
The Lost Cosmonauts. Did Russia beat America into space?
Ever heard about the lost cosmonauts? A theory that some Russian cosmonauts went to space before Yuri Gagarin but never returned. Their existence was kept a secret. The story starts in the Cold War era, when the space race was at its peak. The Soviet Union wanted to beat America into space. Some people believe that before Yuri Gagarin's successful trip in 1961, there were other missions that ended in disaster. One piece of evidence is a recording by 2 Italian brothers. They captured what they claimed were the last moments of a dying cosmonaut drifting into space. The sound is chilling, a faint SOS signal growing weaker. Russia has always denied these claims. Did the Soviet space program hide the truth? Were their cosmonauts lost in space, their stories buried? This mystery remains unsolved, leaving us wondering about the true cost of the space race.
Ever heard of the Galaxy Gardeners? Discover the unknown architects of the stars.
Deep in the cosmic void, far beyond our galaxy existed an ancient civilization known as the galaxy gardeners. These beings possessed the extraordinary ability to cultivate star systems, orchestrating the birth of stars and planets with immaculate precision. According to the few fragments of cosmic lore, the galaxy gardeners sculpted nebulae and guided the gravitational forces, weaving the fabric of space itself to create balanced cosmic gardens. Their knowledge of cosmic botany enabled them to foster life-giving conditions across the universe, seeding the potential for life on countless worlds. It is said that our very solar system was once a garden under their tender care, nurtured until it could sustain life on its own. However, as mysteriously as they appeared, the galaxy gardeners vanished, leaving behind only the galactic gardens as evidence of their existence. Today, astronomers occasionally stumble upon star systems that seem too perfectly aligned, whispering the legacy of the galaxy gardeners to those willing to listen.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.